Ah, this is the life. A lazy Saturday afternoon.
It is perfect, isn't it, Alex? No plans, no stress, just reading our books on the sofa.
My coffee is at the perfect temperature. The sun is shining through the window. I am completely and totally relaxed.
What was that?
That was the doorbell.
Are we expecting anyone? Did you order a package?
No, I didn't order anything. And all our friends know to send a message before they come over.
That's strange. Who could it be? Maybe it's the mailman with a registered letter.
Or maybe it's a neighbor. Perhaps Mrs. Schmidt from downstairs needs some help again.
It could be. Well, I guess one of us has to get up and answer it. Our peaceful afternoon has been interrupted.
I'll go. You stay there and continue relaxing. It's probably nothing. I'll be right back.
Thank you. Let me know if it is a salesperson. I am not in the mood to buy anything today.
I will politely send them away. Don't worry.
So, who was it? Was it a salesperson?
No, it was not a salesperson.
Was it Mrs. Schmidt?
It was not Mrs. Schmidt. You are not going to believe who is at our front door.
Why? Who is it? You have a very strange look on your face.
It's your old friend from university, Clara.
Clara? Are you serious? My friend Clara is at our door right now?
Yes, she is standing right there in the hallway.
But what is she doing here? I haven't seen her in almost a year, and she lives in Graz. That's 2 hours away.
I know. I was very surprised to see her. She said she was in the neighborhood for an appointment, and she decided to stop by on the chance that we were home.
Just in the neighborhood. That is the most amazing and unexpected surprise. I can't believe it.
She looks great. She asked if it was a good time.
A good time? Of course it's a good time. I need to go and see her. Don't just leave her standing in the hallway.
I told her I would just come and check with you first.
Go and tell her to come in, of course. I am so happy and shocked.
Okay, I have told her to come in. She is just taking off her coat.
I'm going to go and greet her properly. This is so exciting.
I will follow you.
Clara, I cannot believe it's really you. Oh, it is so good to see you. What a wonderful surprise. You look fantastic. Come in, don't be shy. Please come into the living room. I am so sorry the apartment is a bit of a mess. We were not expecting any guests. It is so good to see your face. How long has it been? It feels like forever. You have to come and sit down, and you have to tell me everything. Clara, please, come and have a seat on the sofa. Make yourself at home.
It's lovely to finally meet you, Clara. Sophie has told me so much about you.
Oh, I am so sorry. My manners are terrible. I was so shocked and excited. I forgot to introduce you two properly.
It's okay.
Clara, this is my partner, Alex. Alex, this is my very good and old friend from my university days, Clara.
It's a real pleasure to meet you. Please don't worry about the surprise visit. We are very happy to have you here.
We really are. It is the best surprise I have had all year.
So, you two studied together at the university in Graz?
We did. We were in the same history class. We sat next to each other for 3 years. We were inseparable.
So you have a lot of good memories together.
We have so many stories. We were partners in crime.
I can imagine. Well, it's really nice to put a face to the name.
Can I get you something to drink, Clara? You must be thirsty after your journey.
Yes, please, let us get you a drink. What would you like?
We have coffee, of course. I can make you a nice cappuccino. Or we have a big selection of teas, if you prefer.
We also have fruit juice and, of course, still or sparkling water.
Just tell us what you are in the mood for.
A cup of tea sounds lovely. Thank you so much.
Perfect. What kind of tea would you like? We have black tea, green tea, peppermint, chamomile.
Oh, a simple English breakfast tea would be perfect, with a little bit of milk.
An excellent choice. Alex, would you mind putting the kettle on?
Of course not. I will go and be the tea master. And I will bring some biscuits too. I think we have some of those nice chocolate ones left.
Oh, you are the best. Clara loves those biscuits.
It is my pleasure. I will be back in a few minutes. You two have a good chat and catch up.
We will. There is a lot to talk about.
Here we are, one perfect cup of English breakfast tea with milk, and a plate of our finest chocolate biscuits.
You are a wonderful host, Alex. Thank you.
So, Clara was just telling me what she was doing in our neighborhood.
Yes, it is such a coincidence.
What were you doing here?
I had a job interview, actually, at that big international company just 2 streets away from here.
A job interview. That is big news. How did it go?
I think it went very well. It was the second interview for the position. The people were very nice.
We have our fingers crossed for you. That would be amazing if you got the job.
It would be. And it would mean that I would have to move to Vienna.
So you would be living in the same city as us. We could see you all the time.
That is one of the biggest reasons I want the job. I miss my friends here so much.
Well, we hope you get it. So, the interview finished a bit early.
Yes, it finished an hour earlier than I expected, and I had 2 hours to wait before my train back to Graz.
And you thought of us.
I did. I knew you lived somewhere around here. I just took a chance. I am so sorry for just showing up at your door without calling first. It is very rude of me.
It is not rude at all. It is the best kind of surprise. We were just having a very lazy and boring Saturday. You have brought some excitement into our day.
Sophie, can I talk to you for a second?
Of course. What is it? Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. It is so lovely to have Clara here. She is a wonderful person.
She really is. It's so nice to see her.
But I was just looking at the time. It's almost 1:30.
1:30? Wow, the time has gone so fast.
I know. And I was just thinking, it's lunchtime, and we haven't had lunch yet.
You are right. I hadn't even thought about that. I am actually starting to feel quite hungry.
Me too. And Clara is our guest. We can't just let her leave without offering her some food. It would be very impolite.
You are absolutely right. We have to offer her lunch. But what are we going to make?
That is the big question. We didn't do any food shopping this morning. The refrigerator is almost empty.
I know. I was planning to go to the supermarket this afternoon. This was an unplanned visit.
Let's have a quick secret look in the fridge. What do we have?
Okay, I am looking now. We have some eggs. We have a block of cheese. We have some tomatoes and a cucumber. And we have half a loaf of bread.
That's not a lot to make a meal for 3 people. It's enough for a very small, sad sandwich.
This is a bit of a crisis. What are we going to do? We can't just offer her a sad sandwich.
Okay, don't panic. Let's think. We are good at problem solving. What can we make with eggs, cheese, tomatoes, and bread?
It's not a lot to work with. What about the cupboards? Do we have anything in the cupboards?
Let me check. Okay, we have some tins of tuna. We could make a tuna salad.
We could. And we have some pasta. We always have pasta.
We could make a simple pasta dish. That's a great idea.
What kind of sauce can we make? We don't have any meat.
We don't need meat. Do we have a jar of tomato pasta sauce?
Let me look at the back of the cupboard. No, we finished the last jar on Thursday. I forgot to put it on the shopping list.
Okay, so no jar of sauce. But wait, you taught me how to make a fresh tomato sauce.
I did.
You told me all you need is fresh tomatoes, garlic, and some herbs. And we have all of those things.
We do. We have the beautiful tomatoes from the market. We have garlic. And I have a big pot of fresh basil on the balcony.
So we can make a delicious, fresh, homemade pasta sauce that is much more impressive than a sauce from a jar.
It is. And we can grate some of the cheese on top. And we can make a simple side salad with the cucumber and the rest of the tomatoes.
And we can toast some of the bread with some garlic and olive oil to make garlic bread.
Alex, you are a genius. That is not a sad lunch. That is a wonderful, fresh, Italian-style lunch.
It is. It's simple, but it's thoughtful. And it's a meal we can make with the things we already have.
Our unexpected guest will be very impressed with our cooking skills.
Crisis averted. We have a plan.
So, we have our simple but delicious lunch menu planned.
We do. Now we just have to invite our guest to stay for lunch.
How should we do that? I don't want her to feel like she is an inconvenience.
We should be very casual and relaxed about it.
Yes, you are right. We can just say that we were about to make lunch for ourselves anyway.
That is the perfect way to phrase it. You should go back into the living room now. I will start preparing things quietly in the kitchen.
Okay, so I will go and sit down with her again, and I will just say, Clara, Alex and I were just about to make some lunch for ourselves. It's nothing fancy, just a simple pasta.
And then you can say, we would really love for you to join us, if you have the time.
We would love for you to join us. That is a lovely, warm invitation. It doesn't put any pressure on her.
Exactly. She can say yes or no.
What if she says no? What if she feels like she is imposing?
Then you can just say, are you sure? It's really no trouble at all. We would love the company.
A gentle second invitation. That's a good idea.
But you should not insist more than that.
No. If she says no a second time, then we have to respect her decision. But I have a feeling she will say yes.
I hope so. It would be so nice to have a proper lunch with her.
It would. Okay, you go back to the living room and be the charming host. I will go and be the master chef in the kitchen.
We are a great team.
So, how did it go? Is she staying for lunch?
She is. She was so happy to be invited.
I'm so glad. What did she say?
When I invited her, she said at first, "Oh, no, I couldn't possibly impose. I don't want to cause you any trouble."
Just as we predicted.
So I used our magic line. I said, "Are you sure? It's really no trouble at all. We would love the company."
And what was her reaction?
She smiled a huge smile, and she said, "Well, in that case, I would absolutely love to. I am actually starving."
Hooray! Our plan worked perfectly.
It did. She even offered to help. She asked if she could help to chop the vegetables or set the table.
That is so nice of her. What did you say?
I told her to just sit and relax. I said that she is our guest, and we want to spoil her.
A very good answer. So, the pasta is cooking, and I am just starting to make the sauce. The kitchen already smells amazing, with the garlic and the olive oil.
It really does. It smells like a little restaurant in here.
The salad is ready, and the garlic bread is ready to go into the oven. I think lunch will be ready in about 20 minutes.
This has turned out to be a wonderful and unexpected Saturday.
It has. It started as a lazy, quiet day for 2, and now it is a spontaneous, happy lunch party for 3.
It just shows that sometimes the best plans are the ones you don't make.
I couldn't agree more. I am so glad your friend decided to stop by.